all for joining us today, and allow me to extend a particularly warm welcome to our guests from TUI Group. Thank you.
It's an honor for us naming of the aircraft as Larnaca, and a special honor for the city of Larnaca.
You know, the first aircraft right now from Germany is actually Christianized with the beautiful name of Larnaca, and will be the ambassador. So it is part of our German fleet. So of course it's international, but it's part of the German fleet because we want to extend and expand actually the direct connectivity from Germany to Cyprus.